Greetings, welcome to Smartwatch Guide. Today, let's comparing two amazing smartwatch. Before we introduce these two amazing smartwatch, I will introduce the watch brand. The watch brand is Demor. It's a fashionable brand of many amazing wearable smart device. Okay, let's start to introduce the two smartwatches. The left one is the W26 Plus smartwatch, and the right one is the W26 smartwatch. The left one is the Plus version. Okay, let's check out the appearance of the watch. The watch size is the same. They are all both 44mm. And one is pink color with red rose gold watch case. And W26 is silver color with white silicone strap. They are both one crown button with red circle. The outer appearance is almost the same. Okay, let's check out the back. And the watch back are also the same. Watch Series 6 44mm aluminum case, ECG heart rate. Okay, and the strap can be both removable and be replaced with standard size of Apple Watch band. From outer appearance, they are same. Okay, let's power on the watch to see the software and application. Okay, we can see the default watch face are different. The W26 Plus, the Plus version, has a blue color background watch face, and the W26, the right side watch, has a colorful, amazing watch face. Okay, let's just slide through the screen. The menu buttons almost the same. We can see the icons are the same. Okay, we slide through the screen from top to down. It's the same with on the left side has Bluetooth connection, status, and battery status indication. The third one is QR code for the application. We have to download and install on our smartphone to connect with the watch, and we can see the application. QR code is also the same application. Okay, and we slide through the screen from left to right. We can see the sports mode, and the sports function are also the same working. It's monitoring now. Oh, we can see the heart rate sensor are different. On the left side, the Plus version has 4 small sensors, while the older version has only 1 heart rate sensor. That's the big difference between the two models. Okay, let's check out the back of the watch again. Oh, it's different. Okay. Then let's change to the menu style to 9 app style. We can see the layout of the screen has been changed to line grid style. And the application of the menu icon also the same. Let's check out the watch face. Oh, and the Plus version, we can scroll the Chrome button to change the watch face. But the W26, if we scroll the Chrome button, it doesn't function. That's another difference between the two models. Okay, let's change the watch face. We can see the watch faces are also different, although they have the same 7 watch faces. Okay, this is the compare video of the two amazing models. The left one is the W26 Plus smartwatch, and the right one is the W26 smartwatch. Thank you for listening. See you again.